Hello guys, welcome back to TechDose, and I'm excited to announce about a new live training program coming for artificial intelligence for software engineers, or in short AI for SDE. Now this is just going to be a one-time live course coming in 2026 April. Now what's special about this course if you ask? Then the first important point is it is designed to learn how the AI systems actually work under the hood. We will not just be focusing on the API endpoints, but we will be learning everything in depth right from research and trying to implement it in practical, which means that we will be doing deep paper to code learning. Whatever we learn in the research paper will also get implemented, and you will see hands-on of each and every concept that you learn. Now we will be doing deep dives on the important transformer architecture, attention, and many such important topics right from research to code. Then we will also be seeing the breadth-wise learning about the most existing and popular AI systems with a special focus on the large language models, or the LLMs. We will build our very own LLM right from scratch. We will be doing this as a project, and you will get to know the entire working of all the coding systems as well. This will also give you a very in-depth understanding about how GitHub Copilot and similar coding assistant works, which can be quite helpful in many interviews. Now, why you should consider joining this course? If you are someone who wants to go beyond the APIs and learn to innovate with AI, innovation and improvisation demands an in-depth knowledge. And this course is all about detailed analysis and going to all the whys and not just how to implement or what to do. If you study in depth, then this will definitely take you to the top 1% of the software engineers, and it will also help bring a sense of calmness within you and make you predictive about future. We will have very limited seats, capped to 25 size, so that we focus on each and every individual and maintain the quality of our batch. We will have discount for the first 10 joinees. This batch is going to be 6 months live course, which will run from April to September 2026. For more details, you can read the entire brochure containing the syllabus tab, the common FAQs that you can get. If you have got any more questions or you are looking forward to registering, then you should WhatsApp us on this given number. I wish to see you in the session soon.